Today, we're diving into the features of the VEVA Air Purifier Large Room, a top-tier solution for maintaining clean air in your home with its Pro HEPA 9000 technology. This medical-grade air purifier is designed to capture even the tiniest unwanted particles, making it perfect for households with pets, smokers, or frequent cooking. Its advanced 4-in-1 technology includes a washable pre-filter, a small dust and premium activated carbon filter, and a HEPA air filter, ensuring your living space stays fresh and odor-free. Plus, it's safe for your family as it doesn't produce trace amounts of ozone. With a sleek, stylish design, this decor-friendly purifier fits seamlessly into any room, whether it's a large living area or a cozy bedroom. Ideal for homes with babies, cats, or dogs, the VEVA Air Purifier is a must-have for anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality. Remember, for optimal performance, replace the filters every 2 to 6 months. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.